Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling GPS and confirming your device has at least 20% battery to avoid mid-run stops. Open your running app and pick the outdoor run or GPS tracking mode so position data is logged. If you use a footpod or cadence sensor, calibrate it now to improve distance accuracy. Once done, perform a quick warm-up and tap Start. Make sure the app shows a satellite or GPS lock before you leave to prevent the first minutes from being lost. During the run, check the GPS icon periodically to confirm a solid lock. Weak signal causes distance errors, so pause briefly if it flickers. Use lap splits or auto lap set to 1 km or 1 mile to track consistent segments and adjust pace. This also helps later analysis. If you hit tall buildings or trees and notice sudden jumps, slow down or stop and allow the device to reacquire signal. Once done, resume. Make sure you pause instead of leaving the session running during long breaks. When you finish, stop and save the recording so the app locks in the data. You'll see total distance, average pace, splits, and elevation in the session summary. Review those numbers to verify plausibility versus your effort. Sync to the cloud or desktop app to backup and compare runs over time. Export a GPX or TCX file if you need detailed mapping or coach analysis. Troubleshooting tip: if distance looks wrong, rerun a short known segment and compare to verify GPS
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.